Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'll show you to fix this issue where you see can't connect right now. Now, of course, you can get this in various apps. It might be YouTube or one of your other apps on your TV. This is a TCL Android TV. Now, as a TCL Android TV, it is running Android OS. All right. So, of course, if you're getting this problem, the fastest thing to do, guys, is to use the try again. But of course, most cases it will not go away. If not, you can always go to open network settings, and also it doesn't really tell you what's wrong. Usually you can imply based on the fact that it's a network, but in most cases this is telling you that it's unable to connect to the network, and the network in this case is the internet. So go ahead and open network settings. All right, so what you see does here, it brings you of course to your Wi-Fi. So you're gonna go ahead and try to find a Wi-Fi that's actually available. And of course, once you do, make sure you connect. If it shows that you're not connected, it might have been that you have been kicked off the network. Maybe there was a password change or something. So go ahead and reconnect to the Wi-Fi once more. If that doesn't work, where you're allowed to connect back to the Wi-Fi, go ahead, guys, and of course, you can, sorry. All right. So if you try to connect back to the Wi-Fi and you're unable to, as I said, make sure that the password is correct. Another thing to try is to reset both the your Wi-Fi router and restart the TV. If you are unable to connect and you're still getting the error after the password is correct, it means that usually you don't have a active connection. So go ahead and try to use your phone or something and connect to the network and see if you're browsing. If everything is good, meaning that your router has internet, go ahead and go to your settings, as you can see here, and of course you can go into all settings, which is the gear icon. Once you're in here, guys, what you want to do from here is to find the system setting related to time and date, and of course it says date and time there. Go ahead and set, if it's on automatic, you may have to set it to manual, and of course once you do, make sure that the time and date is correct. So once you set the time and the date, if it's incorrect, it will not browse. However, if it is correct, it should browse. So set time, date, and of course your correct time zone. Usually in some cases, that's a problem, and it can be fixed simply by doing that. Another thing to do, guys, is to go into your network settings and reset, of course, your network-based settings, meaning you clear out your network settings. It will erase everything, including your Wi-Fi and any other network-based settings, and of course it will ask you to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. You can do that. Most times this option is under system, so you'd have to come under system, and usually it's somewhere around here. Usually it's under here, and it's under the option that says reset. Now note, this TV doesn't have it. It should say have an option in most cases that says reset network settings. This one only has factory reset. Do not do a factory reset unless that's a last resort, and of course you have exhausted all of the options. Plus, doing a factory reset will also erase everything on your TV, and you have to set it up from scratch. So only do that as an extreme last resort. I do not recommend it. But if there's a reset network settings, go ahead and use that, and of course reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If you do all of these, it should work, providing that your carrier doesn't have a network issue. Of course, you can call them to see if you're having network issues, but it's easy to check by simply using the options available to you by using another device to see if that is browsing. All right, if you try all of those, it should fix the issue. I hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.